My name is Shane. I work in train presentation at Northern.
I'm Zoe. I'm the train presentation manager around Manchester.
Train presentation is getting the unit ready for service.
Basically, make sure the trains are clean and presentable for all our customers across the network. I think the most challenging days in train presentation are where we've got big events on, sports matches, music festivals, Christmas markets, anything like that brings a lot more passengers, a lot more litter, and when people are drinking, lots of other unfortunate accidents also occur, but train presentation are always there to make sure the train gets cleaned back up to standard.
It's quite physically demanding. You've got to be fit to be getting off and on the trains.
The shift patterns can really work in with people's daily lives.
Door is opening.
If you're looking at it in terms of other cleaning jobs, it's much more varied.
We all take pride in what we do. We all look back after our shift, how better it looks from when we first walked down it. We all give ourselves a bit of a pat on the back, and clearly the public are also happy, which obviously makes us happy. What advice I would give to someone that's thinking about joining Northern on train presentation is do it. There's plenty of opportunity for progression.
It really is a company where there's lots of opportunities. If you want to get on and you want to build a career, I would highly recommend it.
What have you got to lose? You've got everything to gain.